So this is what we call a door wall, and it functions very similar to the way a sliding window functions, except it just uses a door rather than a window. So you can see this one's rather large. As you clean the glass, you might want to break it up into smaller sections. There's usually going to be a sliding screen door on the outside that covers one half of the opening, and these screen doors usually slide in tracks or grooves, and they have wheels that allow them to glide easily. A couple of things to pay attention to with door walls. These tracks and thresholds usually get really dirty and filled with debris because of all of the foot traffic, so you want to make sure that you pay special attention to all the grooves and things here. Another thing you're going to need to pay attention to is the screen door itself. Now these may or may not be easy to take out, just depending on the brand and the condition of the window. So if you find that you can't take the screen out to clean the inside surface of it easily, you're going to have to do it from inside. So that involves being on the inside of the building, opening the slider itself, and then cleaning the inside surface of this screen, and then you'll have to come out and clean the outside surface of it separately to get a good quality finish. So those are a few things to pay attention to. Otherwise, door walls are pretty straightforward, fairly easy to clean.